Albon everyone, today I'm with another exciting unboxing, and here I have ROG Crosshair 2006 20th edition version, and finally I got one of these on my hand now, and I'm gonna unbox and show the contents. So I'm really excited. So without any delay, let's get unboxing. So they have remade the old 2006 board into something like really retro feeling, and I was like really hoping to get this one, and finally I was able to get one of this on my hand right now. So I'm gonna be using this as my motherboard for my PC. So the box design is like really simple, and it has like the pictures and everything. Here you have the board, how it's look like, and these are the performance. Like, let me check. So these are like the CPU chipset and memory. So there are like information here, like even before you opening it. And I was like really excited about this board for some little time, because soon after I saw they have this 20-year anniversary board. So I was really want to get one of this on my hand, and I finally got it. So I'm really excited about this. And like there are like information here, the storage, Ethernet, and memory. So it supports to AMD CPUs and Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series. And like there are like a lot of information here. I'm not going to be going one by one. So the main thing is about like opening this like this motherboard and see like what's inside. So as you can see, it's already like sealed. So I'm gonna open it and see it. So I was like really excited about this motherboard for some time. So I was a little bit late on getting this, because I had to like collect some money, and I had to think about what kind of PC I wanna be making. So finally, there are like a lot of 20-year anniversary parts that you can get during this time. So let me see how to open it up. Okay, I have to be really careful, because I'm gonna leave this box like next to my PC, or maybe like as a display. So I'm not gonna throw this box away, because it's look really nice. Okay. So I'm gonna keep this one away. Yeah. Oh, it has like a black finish, like the box. So it says like ROG 20th anniversary. So it's like really big box, so I can't even cover it with my camera. So I'm gonna show as much as I can. So how to open it? So, okay. Oh, okay. I think I know how to open it, but let me show around. Like, okay, like this is the opening here. Oh, I think I kind of flip it. So like this logo is like really like authentic. Like, it's really cool actually. The box design, man, it's really feel a little bit like, not a little bit, a lot like premium motherboard. Yeah, and really, I'm gonna. This box looks really nice. So let's open it up. Okay. So they have like 20 years strong, thanks to you, and there's a message here. Okay, can I open it? Oh, okay. What is this? I think they're trying to like show like it comes like as a like motherboards that used to be like with a CD and all, maybe something like that. But it's really cool. Okay, back. I don't think I'm supposed to take this out. Okay, I just should like. Okay. Oh, okay. Can I open this? I don't think I can open this actually. Okay, let's see. To this compartment. Okay. I'm actually being really careful when I'm opening this bag. I don't want to break this box. As I mentioned, I'm gonna hit this. Good. Oh, okay. There is like opening here. Maybe here as well. No, I don't think so. Oh my god, it's like a puzzle box. Like all the buttons. Oh, okay. So there's something like a thread here. All right. So yep. Okay. Okay, let's first keep this box away. I think that's all for it. And I'm gonna keep it here. And let's get to this. So it has like a polythene wrap. I mean, like a sheet. So let's see where I can. Oh, they have another opening here. Okay, do quick switch. Open it up. Really careful here. Okay, so am I supposed to like this? Or this is gonna be okay. So let me take these two and leave the other parts here. I'm hoping I'm taking in the right way. Okay, first of all, let's check what's inside this other compartment. And okay, here we have the Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, that's really cool. Let's open up this. Oh, they have the ROG. What it is again? Okay, there's some stickers. Oh, a book. And yeah, I also forgot to mention like this product I bought from China. So everything is in Chinese. So it's about like explaining about this character, the age, height, and there's like a big story, and I'm not gonna go everything about it. And like they're explaining about the board, like there are ports and everything, and how to set it up. Okay, like things you have to be more like careful about, and also the power cable, how to attach it. So yeah, I'm gonna go one by one, and before assembling the whole computer. So there are like other like small leaflet here. I'm not gonna go all of it because I'm really excited to like find out like what else here. Okay, the SATA cables, and what is this? Okay, there are like some plastics here. Like I think there are like some covers that can be used later on. This one it says Petpan Hollands on TI plastic. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go through like each one of them. Oh, okay. There are thermal pad. Oh, it's for the SSD with the back plate. Okay. I'm not gonna go each one of it. So yep. So now we are back to the final part, the motherboard. So I'm really excited to open this up because I was like eyeing for this for some time, and it's a little bit hard to get this board because now it's 20-year anniversary, and as you know, it's brand new. So let's open it up. So I hope this is the right. Yeah, because the board's supposed to be like this. So okay, let's open it up. Wow. Oh, that's a lot of copper. Boy. Okay, like first let's go over this. Like it's just a picture, like it's the diagram of the whole board. So okay, let's put this away and let's get back to this beauty. Wow, it's like really retro style design. And yeah, let's take this off. And you also have the screwdriver. And again, wow, it looks amazing. So they have this PCI ports, RAM ports, and this big chunk of copper, the heatsink. It looks really nice. So they're like shift, there are some buttons. Okay, here. So you can open it up. Oh, like several, like with thermal paste. Some in those are like, yeah, these are like SSDs. Okay, you can open it like this. Oh, there's a wire. You have to be really careful. I almost like ripped it off. So there's another main like SSD port here. I have to be really careful. Like, I don't know what's inside this board. Like, I'm hidden. Okay. Get clear. And as I mentioned, this is a AMD motherboard. AMD CPU, like you can only use AMD boards like 10,000, 8,000, and 7,000 series. And let's take it out because I want to check like the back, like how is the circuit has been done. Yeah, I had to be really careful because I have to inspect each part of this board, like if there are any bent ones. So I have to like, maybe claim it. And also one of the reason I'm recording while unboxing it, so I can prove it, like, there are like some issues like this. Oh, okay. Damn, look at that. It's like a big copper plate. So I was hoping to see the whole structure from behind, but come on, I had to like remove it. I had to unscrew it and, check it out. So wow, it's looked nice. And this Team ROG warning: once ROG, forever ROG. I mean ROG. Actually, it's true. Like I've been like eyeing for ROG products since I first bought my mouse. So I was like hoping I want to make everything ROG. So yeah, it's like an addiction. Actually, it's not an addiction. It's like a culture. So it's like ROG culture. So I am impressed with this design. Like it feels old and new at the same time because as I mentioned, I made my like last time when I assembled a PC, it was like 10 years ago. So for me, it's like nostalgic, and I feel like I'm assembling a PC when I was like a small kid. So ROG done really good job on making something on their 20-year anniversary. So I'm really impressed. So yeah, that's all of it. So I'm gonna try out this board and I'm gonna assemble my full PC and see like how it performs and all. So right. So this is the end of my video, and I hope everybody get to experience what I experienced when unboxing this. And for me, it's amazing. So if you have any question, just write it down on the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. And thank you for your support and everything during my unboxing journey. So I'll see you on my next video. Ciao.